Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So this video is kind of unusual. I don't really know how to start it because I don't want it to call I can't call it a haul because I'm not really keeping anything, and I only got 4 items from FashionNova, but I just wanted to share my experience and hopefully get some advice on how to shop on that website, because I'm always seeing their advertisements on my Instagram feed. You know, I watch different hauls. I watch a lot of hauls actually where people mention FashionNova. So I'm like, what is all the hype about? So I went on their website and I ordered 4 different items. So I'm going to share with you what I got and what my thoughts are on it. And you guys just help me out. Give me some advice on how to shop on that website. So I'm going to start with a top that I ordered, and it is in a size small. I wanted to order it in a medium, but before I begin, a lot of the items on the website did not have my size. Everything that I liked, like there were 5 other items that I wanted to get and they just did not have my size. And these were between new arrivals, more new arrivals than sale items. Because I know the sale items, I'll be less likely to find my size in the sale items. But for the new arrivals, like it was just smaller, extra small. So I'm like, how am I supposed to, how do people shop on this website? Because these are supposedly new arrivals. Like they're already gone. My goodness, everyone's buying stuff like that. So I ended up getting this shirt in a small. I wanted to get a medium, at least a medium, but obviously they didn't have it. And this is a shirt that I kept seeing on my Instagram feed and the model was rocking it. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna order it and hopefully, you know, it looks good. I didn't think there was any way for it to be wrong. But this is the top. It's yellow and it has this little thing in the back, which I didn't see the model wearing because I probably wouldn't have gotten it if I saw this in the back. And the material is like, I don't even know. I don't know if it's like jersey material. It's like shiny and thin. It is called Still On It top in a size small, and it's $24.99. At the time that I ordered, it was when they were having, like, when you get a certain amount of money off. So I think it was if you spent $75, you got $25 off. So this shirt ended up being $17.49. I don't even know what to say about it other than it's not what I expected. The material is weird and shiny. I don't like the way that the belt looks. It looks kind of weird to me. And when I put it on, you can see my bra through it. It's just, it's not what I expected. I'll just say that. Maybe it's just not my size. You know, that's what I'm thinking. But, yeah. So, moving on to the next item, which is the Stroll at the Plaza jumpsuit in a size medium, which is $24.99. Now this, I didn't mind spending $24.99, and because it was $24.99 and I had the little coupon code, it came up to be $17.49. I didn't mind spending that on this jumpsuit. It is mauve and it has like the low cut with the elastic waist and a tie, but it's too small for me. And like the top and most of the other items on the website didn't have anything in my size. So I wanted to get a large, but they were out of the large. They only had medium and extra small. So I chose medium. I went based on the reviews, a review that someone left on there, and they said they were about my height and about my weight. So I was like, okay, they got a small, I'm gonna just play it safe and get a medium because I prefer for my jumpsuits to be a little more baggy. Y'all, this thing is so tight. My thigh is about to bust through this whole thing. I love it though, and if they had it in an extra large, I would definitely order it. But they don't have it in an extra large, so people are just buying these things like crazy, and they don't have the size in it. So this, I can't say that I'm completely dissatisfied with it. It's just I didn't get it in the correct size. And I feel like I'm going to be saying that a lot in this video. I didn't get it in the correct size, but that's the truth. I ain't get it in the correct size because obviously I don't know how to shop on this website. We all know that FashionNova is famous for their jeans, and that's really the reason why I wanted to try it out, because I've been hearing such wonderful things about people even having to size down. Like, it's really stretchy, you know, really good material. They make your butt look good and all these different things, getting all these wonderful, marvelous reviews from multiple people. And I'm like, I'm missing out. I'm probably the only person on the planet that has not shopped at FashionNova. Let me, you know, get a little taste of what they got going on with their jeans. So, went on the website again. And a lot of the jeans are like distressed, like super distressed. And I don't feel comfortable wearing like the really distressed jeans. A minimal, you know, distress, but it was a bit much on some of the jeans. So I wanted to keep it simple. So, you know, I'll get the classic high waist jeans. And I was reading the reviews again. Someone with my height and weight, they got a size 7 because they ended up sizing down. So I was like, I was gonna get like a 9, and I was like, you know what, let me just, they're probably not gonna fit, I'll just take a chance and order a size 7. Y'all, I didn't know they meant a size 7 in kids, like a children's size 7. I didn't know that. I pulled these out the bag and I was like, this is a joke. Like, what? This is what a size 7 is now? I didn't get the memo on the changes that were made. So yeah, these didn't fit me either. And I'm a little hurt. Maybe I'm not realistic about my size. I mentioned that in my previous haul. Maybe I'm, you know, gaining this weight, and what I used to be, I thought I was a size 7, but I don't ever remember my size 7 jeans being this small. So I need to like triple size up. Goodness me. Y'all, FashionNova, can y'all help me? Can y'all please help me shop at the store? By the way, the jeans that I got are called the Classic High Waist Skinny Jeans, size 7, medium blue wash for $34.99. Alright, so I opened these first 3 items first when I got my package. And I also decided to go to the accessories department and just order some earrings. Alright, just wanted to order some earrings because they were really cute, and you know, I like my little baby size style earrings. Keep it, you know, keep it simple. The earrings came separately in this packaging, priority mail packaging, and I opened it up. So I opened it up, and I'm gonna insert a video of when I initially opened it up, because I recorded it on my phone, on my Instagram story. And they are called the Across the Moon earrings in brown. So I opened the package, y'all, and here they go. But wait, there's more. There's an additional piece that's missing from the earring. Like, it literally just fell out of the package. But they're really, it would be really cute if it came together. I'm dropping it. See, I'm just dropping pieces. It would be really cute if it came together. So it's supposed to go underneath like that, and they looked really cute on the model, and I was like, this is perfect for me because it's something simple and this is like my style. But y'all, not even the earrings was right. Like, the earrings weren't even right. At this point, I was just like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to send everything back. You know, the internet got me. So, I just want my money back. So, I proceeded to the website to look at the refund policy. And y'all, they don't, and I should have known this, but I don't shop on FashionNova. I didn't review any of this prior to shopping on the website, and I should have definitely learned my lesson. And they only do store credit, online store credit. I don't even want online store credit at this point. After I opened the earrings, I was like, I don't even want anything else, because the earrings are broken. And maybe the other stuff was my fault that I chose the wrong size, but they didn't even have my size in anything. So can somebody please teach me how to shop on FashionNova's website? How do I get my size? Because they had the option to choose your size, and then they'll notify you when that item is restocked. But do they actually restock their items? Because I've done that with a few stores online where I'll have them notify me when they get the item in again, and then they never have it ever. Like a year has gone by and they have not gotten the item in, or I haven't been notified. So help me out, please, because I gotta use my store credit somehow, unless I just get stuff for other people. But this was kind of a waste of money. Yeah, I'm not too happy about that. But anyways, this is just a little rant, y'all. Forgive me. Just wanted to share my experience because I hope I'm not the only one that had this experience. I just need to learn what my size is on this website so that I can order the correct stuff and really do a true review on the website. I want some nice FashionNova items too, y'all. So anyways, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you have had the same experience that I have had. Alright, see y'all in the next video.